Odette. Welcome back to today's video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely wonderful this brand new year. Thank you for watching. And of course, thank you for tuning in. Give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like. Watch the video to the end. And I thank you for spending some time with me today. And of course, we're just going to get right into this video because, of course, from the title, I'm going to be doing a randomness haul for you guys today. So we're just going to get right into this video. We're just going to start off with these earrings. I've shown you guys these earrings before, these gorgeous earrings. They are from Temu. I'm going to tell you something. That is some site. I'm telling you, that Temu site. But, you know, you really need to take your time and go through the whole site and just find things that looks practical, that are going to work for you. But these earrings are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love them. It doesn't really go with my outfit today, but whatever. So this is a winter candy apple fragrance mist. This was given to me by one of my colleagues for Christmas, and this smells beautiful. Oh my god, smells wonderful. Absolutely love it. So if you are shopping at Bath and Body Works, you can look for this fragrance mist. It's called Apple Winter Candy Apple, and here it is. Okay, it smells lovely. And I also picked up this orange color corrector. This is from e.l.f. And of course, if you are a dark skin lady, you need this orange color corrector. I do have the one from Revolution, which is really, really nice, but I think this one has a different shade of orange, and it does really help to balance your skin out. And when you put your foundation on, it's going to look so nice and even and really completely balanced. Again, here it is from e.l.f. and this is the orange color corrector. And I did pick up another one of these Beauty Elixir from Caudalie. I do like using this before I put my makeup on my skin. When I'm doing my makeup videos, you probably won't see this, but I tend to prep my skin a little bit before I put my foundation on. And I picked up this small one, and this is called the Beauty Elixir, and this is from Caudalie. And this really helps to prep your skin, keep it hydrated, so your makeup can look beautiful and fresh for the rest of the day. And I used to buy the big ones in the past, and I thought, just keep buying the small ones in the meantime, because sometimes I don't wear makeup all the time, so I don't really need to wear this. And there are times too when I'm doing my, my home spa day, at the end of my home spa day treatments, I just spray a little bit of this on top. And it's really, really good for your skin. It's a really, really beautiful product from Caudalie. It's going to be in the description box for you guys. And I picked up this foundation. First of all, I don't buy a lot of makeup at all. I remember back in the days when I started my YouTube channel, it was makeup, 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 makeup. But this is one of the first foundation I purchased in a long time. This is from UOMA Beauty. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a Nigerian brand. And I picked this up from Walmart. This was $5. This wasn't even expensive. The shade of this is going to be down in the description box for you guys. It says here, flawless skin perfecting foundation, infused with organic daisy flowers extract and 100% natural marine extract. So it feels really good on my skin. I'm wearing this foundation today, and I really thought this foundation was going to be too light for my skin, but it's really not. And I find the shade range is just a little weird and odd. And, it could be too dark, it can be too light, and it's not a hell of a lot of range, like 40 different shades, like some of the different brands. It's very, very few. I may be wrong, but, I got this from Walmart. Again, it was $25. But again, I thought this was going to be too light, but of course I balanced this out with powder, and it looks really good. And it's claimed to keep your makeup lasting all day, keep it fresh all day. And because of all of the different marine extract, it's really good for your skin, and it's a clean product. And I would recommend it, but just take your time to find your shade, because it took me a while to really figure out where I'm at in that shade. Even with Fenty Beauty now, I remember when I started with Fenty Beauty, I started at 440. I was in France at the time when I purchased my first Fenty Beauty foundation, and that foundation did fit me perfectly, although I was tanned because I was in the sun. And the French girl was telling me, 440. I'm thinking, no, honey, it's not 440. I am down to 400 now, and it's $3.90 in the powder. So I haven't purchased anything from Fenty Beauty in a long time. Anyway, moving on. So this is from Doll10 Cosmetics. This is the Brighten and Smooth Under Eye Lifting Stick, and it came in a 2-pack, and I really like this. And when you put this on your skin, it feels so nice and cool. So of course I'm wearing this today. So you put this under your eyes, maybe like 3 or 4 times, and you pat this in. I've shown you guys this before. It really helps to give your eyes just a little bit of a lift, and it feels really cool. And of course you can put your foundation on top, and if you want to wear this on its own without makeup, that's totally fine. And here it is. It feels really cool on the skin. You may not be able to see it because it's a clear product, and this is what it looks like from Doll10 Cosmetics. And of course it came in a 2-pack. And I really, really, really like this product. So the days where I don't feel like putting on any makeup at all, and I want to give my eye, you know, just a little bit of a lift, this is good. It's going to be down below, and I highly recommend this for you guys because you can actually see, you don't see your eye like lifting, but it's going to really firm up under the eyes. And next, I picked up this Veganic hair growth oil that's all over Instagram. And I thought, I'm going to buy this and see if it's going to make a difference on my hair. And I think I see a little growth because this is claimed to grow your hair within 30 days or your money back. So on my natural hair, I put it around my hairline, on my scalp, and I massage this into my scalp. But I think sometimes with most hair oil, you need a carrier, like, you know, like some sort of a leave-in conditioner. But I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I put this on my scalp, and I feel like I've seen a little bit of growth, but I'm going to definitely feedback to you guys and let you know how my hair is doing with this product. And here it is. It's the Veganic hair oil. Okay. There we be. And I also picked up another bottle of lavender oil as well from Amazon. I like to use the lavender oil sometimes in my body lotions or my body butters because it does help to, you know, relax you and put you to sleep and all of that and keep you calm. So I always like to put a little bit of this in my body lotions, and then you put your perfume on top. It lasts a very long time. I will wake up in the morning smelling so beautiful, the same way I did before I went to bed, because you know it really helps to hold on to that body spray or your perfume to make it last really, really long. Your man's gonna be happy when you wake up in the morning smelling really, really good. Lavender oil. There it be. Now I picked up a pair of shoes from Walmart. These are 15 bucks, and I really, really like these shoes, and they are so comfortable. This is a size 8, and this is like a mesh kind of material. Don't wear this out in the winter season because it's gonna be, your feet's gonna be cold. So what I plan to do with these is, like in the spring, summer, when I'm going for my walks, put this on. Or when because I wear my boots to work, and then when I get into my office, I can change my boots and I can put on some comfortable shoes. And again, it's 15 bucks. There it is. And this is a size 8. And this is from Walmart. Very, very comfortable, and it has really nice good grips to the bottom, so you're not going to fall. So of course, if you have issues with your knees, this is going to be perfect for you. And randomly, I picked up just a couple of train ticket holders. I'm not going to show you my transit pass, but I had one of them that I was struggling with for the longest time. The plastic was falling off, and I thought I'm going to pick up another one from Amazon. And this is, it came in a pack of 2. And so if you're traveling, you have your train pass or your bank card, whatever you want to put in here, but don't put your bank card in here. It's for your train or your ID for work. You just put it in. You just have to open up this side right here. Okay. And then you just hook in the top, and yeah, so I can hook this onto my bag. And so when I get to the train, I can just tap my card and I can just go in. And this is what it looks like when you attach it. Really, really cute. And I also picked up some knickers from Victoria's Secret. You guys would have seen these already. What are you wearing under your clothes right now? Anything with a hole in it? Get rid of it right now. These knickers from Victoria's Secret are just beautiful. They are comfortable. I mean, look at that. This is the white one. And this is a beautiful pink. Of course, it has Victoria's Secret written all over it. Okay. I picked up a whole bunch of them. And here is another one. They are so cute. and they fit so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And this is one of my favorites. Look at that. So pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. They're like little boxes, but they fit so comfortable. When I picked up these, they were like $5. When the sale was on for the first time, it was $5 for, I think, $28. And then during the Christmas holidays, it was $7 for $38 or something like that. And I picked up a whole bunch of them. Here they are. A whole bunch of knickers. And again, they fit like a dream. I love this one. This one is so pretty. I mean, look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. It fits amazing. I'm not going to show you guys this on. I mean, come on, please. So again, from Victoria's Secret, and I don't think the sale is on right now, but you can definitely check them out. Really, really good, comfortable, and they fit amazing. Last but not least, I'm going to show you guys this beautiful coat. This coat is from Temu. And this coat fits so beautiful. You guys are going to see this on. But first, it is, I just rolled the sleeve up. You guys are going to see this in the video. It has two beautiful patch pockets. This is a double-breasted coat. This has a little bit of a weight to it. It is so pretty, guys. It looks so much better in person. Maybe I can just stand up to show you guys this. Okay. This is the coat right here. Very, very, very pretty. You've got the patch pockets to the front. You've got 4 beautiful buttons. And there it is. You guys are going to see this on right now. And the collar lays nice and flat. You can wear this with a pair of leggings. You can wear this with a pair of boots, a white shirt. And I can also see like a nice deep blue shirt, or maybe like a nice sky blue color shirt under this, something pink, something green, with your black pair of leggings, a crossbody bag, a little scarf around the neck. This coat is amazing. And of course you do have the back belt right here. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it looks like it has a little bit of a flare to the bottom, but not really. That's the look you get, but it is absolutely gorgeous. This is from Temu. You guys are going to absolutely love this coat. If you live in a country where it gets cool, like at nighttime, where you don't have to wear winter coats like we do in North America, this is going to be absolutely perfect. If you're going into the car to just step out somewhere, this is absolutely perfect as well. If you're just going to visit a friend and you're just going to be in a car, like just during the winter season from the house to the car, of course, put this on, because you don't have to be out in the elements, right? It is a beautiful, gorgeous coat, and I love the lining. Look at the lining of this coat. I mean, check out the lining in this coat. This is no cheap made product. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I think that is it for this random haul. I am going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. Let me know what you like. Let me know what's your favorite. And we are just going to leave it here for today. I do hope you guys enjoy this video. I thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.